Hello my dears, so here we are explaining about section 129 financial statement. Section 128 maintenance of books of accounts, 129 financial statements. Financial statements include what? Balance sheet, profit and loss account, consolidated financial statement, explanatory notes, statement of changes in equity. So these are comprises what? A financial statement. Every company is required to maintain the financial statement that is giving true and fair view of the state of affairs of the company. Then financial statement has to be maintained as per the accounting standard as per section 133 of the Companies Act 2013. We have to prepare the financial statements as per schedule 3. And these section 129 or these format or these requirements are not applicable to a banking company, insurance company, electricity company. So section 129 financial statement, section 128 what? Section 128 maintenance of books of accounts of the company. Okay, so here we have discussed what comprises a financial statement, the requirements that is to be followed while preparing financial statement. It has to be complied with schedule 3, it has to be complied with the accounting standards, and it has to provide true and fair view of the state of affairs of the company. This is not applicable to banking company, electricity, insurance company. Then suppose ABC Limited fails to comply with what? Accounting standard 133 requirements. They fail to comply with the same. So they have to make disclosure. If a company which failed to prepare the financial statement as per the accounting standard which has been prescribed by ICAI or central government in consultation with ICAI. Now NAFRA will comes to act. So okay, so no problem, the amendment has not taken place. So they have to disclose deviation from the accounting standard, that is whether there exists any deviation, the same has to be disclosed. Reasons for such a deviation, that is why they doesn't prepare the financial statements as per the applicable financial reporting framework, that is as per the relevant accounting standard. Then impact on financial statement, they have deviation, reasons of deviation, and the deviation has already happened. So what will be the effect of such deviation on the financial statement? So now we discussed with respect to section 129. Financial statement include balance sheet, profit and loss account, consolidated financial statement, explanatory note, statement of changes in equity, and financial statement should give true and fair view of the state of affairs of the company. It has to be complied with section 133 of the Companies Act 2013. Then schedule 3 requirements. It has to disclose what? Whether there exist any deviations, reasons of such a deviation, and effect of such deviations on the financial statement. Not applicable to banking company, insurance company, and electricity company. So here we are discussing what? Exemptions from preparation of consolidated financial statement. That is, some cases company is not required to prepare the consolidated financial statement. Suppose it is a wholly owned subsidiary company or partially owned subsidiary company of another company where all the members has given their NOC, that is non-objection certificate, that not required to prepare the CFS. First one. Then the company is not, that is the securities of the company is not listed or not intending to listed, that is not in listing process, not listed or not under listing process, then they are not required to prepare the consolidated financial statement. Then ultimate holding company or intermediary holding company is preparing the consolidated financial statement. Did you get it? It means that S Limited is a subsidiary company of H Limited. H Limited is the subsidiary company of N Limited. So here ultimate holding company is N Limited. This is the intermediary holding company. So in that case, either ultimate holding company or intermediary holding company is preparing what? Consolidated financial statement. In that case, the subsidiary company is not required to prepare the consolidated financial statement. So here we discuss certain cases where it is not required to prepare the consolidated financial statement. First one, where it is a wholly owned subsidiary or partially owned subsidiary of another company where all the members has given the NOC, that is non-objection certificate, that is not required to prepare CFS.